Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I want to give you a quick update on this cookbook, cooking recipe inspired junk journal. I have so far, I have the cover put on, fabric cover. There's the inside, and I just love this, fresh from the farm. Vine ripe tomatoes, so cute. And these are 8.5 tall and about 6 1/4 wide, and then the spine is, I think it's 2 inches. Yeah, the spine is 2 inches. So that is the cover, and I have 2 signatures. I might do a 3rd signature, I haven't decided. So let me flip through quickly the pages. I just love this garden to table. And then I have a bunch of vintage papers in here. Here's a vintage recipe. This is from this recipe book. And it's so cool. It was a single signature, so I'm able to just pop these in. And I love the colors. And some more scrapbook paper. And I love this lace doily up against the green, and then the herbs here. More vintage papers, some more scrapbook paper, and then this is a vintage book page, and I love this baking time poem, so I thought that was really neat. And then here I have an envelope, some more scrapbook paper, and then some lined paper, vintage paper, and another vintage scrapbook paper. And I love this with the hot cross buns. And then you have the second half of that signature, and then here is the second signature, so cute. And then the pigs, some more vintage paper, another cool little recipe page with some recipes, and then some scrapbook paper, lace doily, another envelope. And then I love this with the mushrooms and all the other different vegetables. And then this is from a digital kit, this possum stew recipe. I think it's hilarious. And some vintage paper and journaling paper. Here's vintage music page, Tea for Two, which I thought was appropriate. And then another pretty scrapbook paper. And here I have a little paper bag. Trim that, make it a pocket. And then I just love this as the center, all these beautiful baskets. And then you got the second half of that signature. So this is the progress thus far. So I'm gonna get, decide if there's any little sewing of pockets I wanna make before I sew these signatures in, but it's coming along pretty quickly. So that's the update on this cookbook journal. Let me know what you all think about it, and I will see you all on the next video. Oh, also please remember to hit that like button. It really helps my channel. All right, bye.